Hey everybody, this is Ben with Diesel Power Products coming at you with a quick diesel talk video about custom battery cables. Now, if you're like me, I do like a little bit older of a truck. Fits my budget and my lifestyle, honestly. Now, if you have a little bit older truck, you may have noticed that your electronics just aren't quite working the way you imagine them to. And a lot of that can be because your cables are worn or corroded. And you may have done a lot of other things to try and help that already. You may have replaced your starter, your alternator, your batteries, your glow plugs, or your grid heater on there, trying to make sure you can get started in the cold. And maybe your windows are rolling up really slow or something like that, or headlights seem to be dim. Turn signals just aren't kind of as crisp as they used to be. Now, you may be making good power or good juice with all the parts you have in the truck, but it's not getting to where it needs to. That's where custom battery cables can really shine for you there. It's going to replace all the cables you need to get any of your charging system taken care of and get your electronics working the way they're supposed to and the way that you probably originally intended on them working. They offer this kit in two options. You can get the standard kit, which is going to be a 2-aught cable, which is still very thick, thicker than factory, or they have the cold weather option, which will be a 3-aught cable, which is much, much thicker than stock and even thicker than the kit you see here. So if you live in a cold weather climate, I definitely recommend possibly looking into the cold weather package on there just to make sure you are covered. The kit comes very complete with everything you see here. They even label each of the cables of where they're supposed to go, so there's no guesswork there. It comes with these nice post clamps. Now you will notice that these are actually polarized and they do have labels on there as far as positive or negative. So make sure that you are using the right clamps for the right post. They actually are slightly different diameter. So if you didn't know that, if you're trying to put a negative on a positive and you're like, man, this is tight, or put a positive on a negative, nah, this is loose, that's probably why. They're also going to come with these nice thick rubber covers to make sure that they'll stay protected for many years to come. And these grommets on there to keep corrosion down. And they even include zip ties. Anytime a kit includes zip ties, it's a thumbs up in my book. So if you got a truck and you're looking to kind of get your electronics back up to snuff where they're supposed to be, definitely consider getting one of these kits from Custom Battery Cables. Thanks for watching. So if you're considering one of these kits for your truck, don't hesitate to give us a call or click online. We can always advise you the best way to go and which option works best for you. We're on the phones 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific time, or you can click online, dieselpowerproducts.com.